Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for 12th Board Science HSC. First, thoroughly understand your exam pattern and syllabus. Next, create a realistic and consistent study timetable that you can stick to daily. Prioritize subjects and topics based on their weightage to optimize your efforts. Finally, gather all necessary study materials and resources before you begin. To study effectively, practice active recall and spaced repetition to boost your memory retention. Regularly solve previous year question papers to familiarize yourself with the format and common questions. Create concise notes and flashcards for quick revision of key points. Always focus on truly understanding concepts rather than just rote memorization for deeper learning. When tackling specific subjects, practice numerical problems extensively for physics to build problem-solving skills. In chemistry, dedicate time to mastering reactions and organic mechanisms. For biology, drawing diagrams and understanding biological processes will greatly aid your comprehension. Remember to regularly review all essential formulas and key definitions across all subjects. As exams approach, allocate dedicated time for comprehensive revision of all topics. Take mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and manage your time effectively. Crucially, maintain a healthy diet and ensure you get sufficient sleep to keep your mind sharp. Finally, stay calm and confident on exam day to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.